Hey folks, ready to uncover some seriously awesome travel hacks with Alaska Airlines mileage plan? Stick around because we're about to spill the beans on destinations you can hit without breaking the bank. Let's dive into some incredible destinations at great redemption rates. Ever dreamt of exploring Central or South America? How about flying to Central America for just 17,500 miles each way? Whether you're eyeing Costa Rica's lush landscapes or Colombia's vibrant culture, it's a steal. And the perks don't stop there. Treat yourself to business class for only 27,500 miles to Central America or 30,000 miles for Alaska's first-class experience. For just 5,000 Alaska miles, you can jet off to hit the slopes at select resorts. Picture this. Flying from Los Angeles to Boise for only 5,000 miles and shredding the powder at Bogus Basin. It's the perfect winter escape that won't empty your wallet. Escape to paradise with Alaska Airlines miles. For just 40,000 miles each way in economy or 55,000 miles in business class, you can jet off to Fiji. But here's the kicker. You can continue your journey to Australia for the same price. Take advantage of Alaska's free stopover policy to explore both destinations at your leisure. Fiji's crystal-clear waters and Australia's iconic landmarks await you. Get ready for luxury in the skies. Alaska Airlines offers incredible redemption rates on premium cabins with Cathay Pacific. Picture yourself flying from the U.S. to Asia in business class for just 50,000 miles each way. Plus, with Alaska's stopover policy, you can add a visit to Hong Kong before continuing your journey. It's the perfect way to indulge in comfort and explore multiple destinations in one trip. Last but not least, let's talk about Bangkok. You can fly to this vibrant city using mileage plan miles and even enjoy a free stopover along the way. Whether it's exploring the bustling streets of Hong Kong or soaking in the culture of Tokyo, the possibilities are endless. With Alaska Airlines, your journey to Bangkok becomes an unforgettable adventure. So there you have it, folks, the top sweet spots of Alaska Airlines mileage plan. Start planning your next adventure and make the most of your miles. Happy travels!